Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can get the right knowledge, get the right guidance, get the right tools to be able to master the craft of trading and be able to become profitable. Good evening. I can see you, Michael. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. So, without wasting any much of our time, let's dive into the charts. Okay, so if you can see my screen right now, type Forex on the comment section. If you can see my screen, type Forex on the comment section. If you can see my screen, type Forex on the comment section. Let's dive into this. So if this is your first time watching this as well, how we do this is the market fundamental and technical breakdown is for the time period of 10th to 14th of June. We're going to break down the market. We're going to just analyze the market based on top-down analysis, okay? From daily time frame down to 4 hours time frame, and then we're going to forecast the direction, how we expect the market to react. Okay, so right now we see Michael has already replied Forex that he can see our screen. I'm going to lift up from there. So currently, what you're looking at is DXY dollar, DXY, the strength of dollar. And for the strength of dollar right now, we saw that dollar moved up massively after the NFP on Friday, and it affected every currency, both cryptocurrencies, the it affects. So DXY moved up massively after NFP. So now we have a supply zone over here where we expect market to come into and then have some kind of reaction before we start expecting sales, okay, on DXY. Then we go down to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, you see that the market still has some pips, some moves, okay. So what I anticipate for DXY is this move coming to this point, then this towards this supply zone. So this is what I can see on DXY. So I'm looking towards this upside. Okay, that's what I see currently for DXY, the strength of dollar. Then let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, based on what I can see, okay, so for Euro USD, based on what I can see, let me delete this. Then go to the daily. So Euro USD on the daily time frame, what can I see? I see the market is moving to the downside. So it left this supply zone and is heading towards that we have another demand zone over here. for the prevalent demand zone. So if I'm to place my validation points, this is the daily validation point, and this validation point, the daily validation point to be accurate, and I adjust this to be accurate. Then I go down to the 4 hours, this top down analysis. Okay, so on the 4 hours, I can see we have a H4 validation point and also a demand zone. Okay, I mark that out. Then over here, is our demand zone for the H4. Mark, also mark out this H4 supply zone where the market left from. Again, mark this out. Good. So for Euro USD, what I see currently is this the market is currently a demand zone. Okay, I would be monitoring DXY when DXY starts giving me more like a sell structure, because Euro USD is 80% correlated with DXY. If DXY is going up, Euro USD will be going down. If DXY is going down, Euro USD will be going up. Okay, so I'll be monitoring DXY closely. I'll not start selling from here. I can still anticipate more drop on Euro USD, to be honest. Okay, I can still anticipate more drop. It could even disrespect this current demand zone, drop, take liquidity, and then from below here, you can now start seeing Euro USD to you can expect Euro USD to come towards this demand zone. Okay, based on my bias, I can expect Euro USD to come towards this demand zone. Okay, so we'll be monitoring the chart closely. But I would use the because of the correlation Euro USD has with DXY. I'll be monitoring this chart closely, and when I see this break below here and then more of the corrections to the upside, then uh, going to the downside. I'll not be looking for sell setups. Okay, I'll be looking for buy setups for Euro USD only. But I'll expect Euro USD to take this low first. It needs to come and take this liquidity below here. I okay. I see it taking its liquidity below here. I won't be looking for the buys. Once the market opens up, I won't be looking for the buys. No, I won't be looking for the buys. I'll just be looking for Euro USD to take this low. Then the next on our list is AUD USD. I'm meant to check sentiment. Let's see what sentiment says about Euro USD. So for Euro USD, I see sentiment. You have 67% sales and 33% longs. Okay, I'll be going for the longs. Okay, my bias is for the longs, but currently sales are prevalent. But my bias is going to be for long, because the sales from last week Friday, I know it's going to have a ripple effect on Monday as soon as the market opens up for more sales to continue. Yes. So once Euro USD has taken out that liquidity, then I'm going for my longs. I'm not interested for shorts. I'm not selling Euro USD now. I'm not selling it. I'm looking for my buys on Euro USD, like I said before. I'm looking for my buys on Euro USD. Okay, so the next is on the daily time frame. Let me clean all these charts. So the drawings too noisy. Okay. So I deleted every information on this chart. So we start afresh. Good. Neat. So based on AUD USD top down analysis, I see AUD USD just left this supply zone, and it broke this low, which is a demand, also broke this low, which is a demand, taking out liquidity. So where I see AUD currently at is this particular demand zone. Okay, it's at this demand zone. Okay, so we'll be spotting out that demand zone. So let's mark out the supply first. Supply. Okay, so AUD is currently in this demand zone. Okay, the H4 demand zone, and this demand zone can be spotted this way. It is a wide zone, unless you use this instead. Zone. This is supply zone. AUD currently. That's the supply zone. I just marked it out. Okay, so for AUD, what I can state is that due to DXY, we still have a gap on DXY. If you go through DXY analysis, we have a gap before it gets to the resistance zone. I still anticipate that that gap is going to affect AUD and EURUSD. Like I told you before, I'm not looking for sell opportunities on EURUSD. Neither am I looking for sell opportunities on AUD. So what I expect the market to do is that we're going to still have a sell-off, okay, when the market opens up tomorrow, okay, Monday. AUD USD, okay, as soon as the market opens up, we're looking for our buy setups, okay. But I, like I said before, I'll be monitoring it in conjunction with DXY. Once I see that DXY has started giving us the, the buy setups we're looking for, okay, the buy structures we're looking for, and the buy swings we're looking for, going for the buy setups. Sorry. Once we see the DXY giving us the sell setups we're looking for, because there's a gap, guys, there's a gap, and it's it is correlated. It is correlated. This gap has very big meaning. It might seem very small from year to year. Is very, very important. Okay, for those major currencies. So because of this gap now, a lot of that buying on Euro USD, buying on AUD USD as soon as the market opens up. But due to I understand that this gap on DXY has an influence on these major pairs. Okay, I will be waiting for that gap to be filled on DXY. Okay, I'm monitoring it in close conjunction with AUD USD, and that gap can cause AUD to come below, to cause it to come and take liquidity from this low first. So starting off the week on Monday, Tuesday, we can see that yes, short sellers, people who sold from here, will still be holding their position. see is that people who sold from here are positions. Okay, that's what I see. People who take this position to contrary to that, okay, contrary to that, okay, we can still anticipate that the market will have some kind of range in accumulation within here, buy stops and sell stops within this demand zone. Okay, why we still see DXY going to fulfill the efficiency on the resistance we see it heading to. Okay, so we could just see AUD like playing out, creating buy stops and sell stops. Okay, so when DXY fulfills that efficiency towards the resistance, then we can now start seeing DXY dropping and ADS going to the upside. But I'm more interested for the buy setups. Okay, from then after this corrective structure, we expect another drop. Okay, because we are going to take this slope. Okay, we're going to take this slope, but it's going to happen gradually. The market doesn't go in one direction. We're also going to come and take this slope. Long time. Good day, Steven. Steven, welcome. Welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. We did some top-down analysis. We already did a Euro USD, AUD USD, DXY. To watch that. Okay, let's comment on AUD USD is 62% short, 38% long. Okay, I'm interested for the longs. Okay, I'm interested in the longs because those who are shorting AUD USD now, because of those who entered on Friday at this top. Okay, they can still hold their longs to take this liquidity below here before we now start looking for buy setups. Okay, we need to take liquidity before we start looking for buy setups. I'll be more comfortable if we take liquidity before we start looking for buy setups. Okay, so we're going to look for the buy setups. Okay, so the next on our list is let's do gold, God's money. Okay, okay, gold, God's money. Let's go to daily time frame. Let's do some top-down analysis. Good evening, Daniel. Welcome. Let's do some top-down analysis. Okay, so for gold top-down analysis, we see this to be the daily validation point. Okay, we have some demand zones there, major demand zones there. Then we also have this daily supply. Okay, we have this daily supply zone. Then we go to the 4 hour. This is 4 hour. Then we mark out our 4 hour zone. Okay, so from what I can see, this is 4 hour validation point and zone. This is the 4 hour validation point and zone over here. I can mark it out fully. This is for gold. Okay, let's make it accurate. So all these places zone reversal zones. Okay, so gold already tapped into it. Then over here is the supply zone for gold. The supply zone. Then we mark out this as the 4 hours validation point. Then we can see this as a reoptimization zone. This is a reoptimization zone. So what I see for gold is I'm looking for my buy setups for gold. Okay, so but before the if the week starts up, I see more drop on gold. Okay, to grab this liquidity. Okay, then from there we can now start looking for our buy setups. My first target is going to be within this optimization zone. Okay, so I'm bullish on gold. But as the week opens up, these validation points needs to be filled. Okay, these validation points, it needs to be filled. Okay, once these validation points are filled in its time frame, Daniel, I know we have some network challenges. Try as much as possible to change your network provider. Okay, you can use Airtel. Switch over to Airtel. Sorry for your network challenges. So this is what I see for gold. Then the next, let's see what sentiment has to say for gold. XAUUSD 57% short and 43% long. 57% short, 43% long. I'm not interested for the short. I'm interested for the long on gold, okay? I'm interested for the long. I'm not selling. I'm not looking for sales opportunity. Even tomorrow, if the market gives me sell opportunity to go down more, I'm not interested because the sell opportunity is not going to be complete. But if it comes to buy opportunity, you're going to see major buy opportunities and multiple buy opportunity entries, okay? I've seen this countless times. Okay, so when there is going to be a major reversal in the market, it plays out like that. So the next on the list is Bitcoin, people's money. Okay, you can see NFP affected every single currency. Oh God, yes. So let me delete this and then delete this. Okay, I already marked out the point. So for Bitcoin, it already came over here and took this liquidity. Okay, so over here you can see we marked it out already that when this market breaks out, which it has broken out, there's going to be a retest, and Bitcoin just completed this retest. And from here now, we can now start looking for the upward push you want for Bitcoin. Okay, so we're looking for the upward push you have for Bitcoin currently. Okay, so that's what I think for Bitcoin. I already marked out this for you. So the demand zone now is this particular zone over here. This is the demand zone. You can see market came and respected that demand zone smoothly, and from this demand zone, so you see a very good buy opportunity. This is discount price. Bitcoin is giving you a discount price after the breakout from this ascending triangle, ascending wedge. Okay, so since it break out from this wedge now, it's giving you buy opportunity. So any buy opportunity you see from this current level, it's good to go. And I can even see a similar change of character over here. There's a change of character. If I go down to the smaller time frame, which I won't, there is a change of character over here, and I anticipate that if I go down to the smaller time frame, I'm going to see more like a zone where I can place my buys from here and take it to the upside. Okay, so this was the demand zone where Bitcoin came to clear some liquidity from. Okay, the zone where it came to pick some liquidity from, which it has just picked this liquidity. And right now it's waiting for an upward push. You can take your TP1 inside this supply zone. Okay, and once you take your TP1 inside this supply zone, this is for daily day traders. Okay, but for swing traders, you can hold this trade, this swing. Check out on this signal. I'll be analyzing this market more, and I'll be dropping these signals for our students. Okay, so the link is going to be on the description to join our Telegram, to join our WhatsApp. Okay, the link is going to be on the description. Also, when we go live trading, we can anticipate you guys to join us on the live trading. Okay, so don't miss out on that. Don't sleep on this opportunity. Don't sleep on it. So this is what I see currently for Bitcoin, and I anticipate that there's going to be an upward push on Bitcoin. Okay, there is always this magic move on Bitcoin at the beginning of the week every Monday. Go and check it. It always happens every Monday. There's always a magic pump in Bitcoin. So go and check it out. So that's what I anticipate. We'll be looking for our buy setups. Once we get it, we'll take it to the upside. I'm calling out the signals for our students. So with that said, this has to do with the market technical breakdown. We will be going to the fundamentals shortly, but before I dive into the fundamentals, for you guys that are new here, I got a lot of people sending me messages that do I trade, what's trading all about, how can I get to know more about trading. Then this opportunity and this information is for you. If you want to learn about trading, my link is on the description. The link to my store is the first link you see there. It has to do with seller.co slash click to cart. Once you go there, you can be able to see the link to our academy to pay for our course. Okay, this is passive income generator for high income earners. Okay, you're going to learn about finance, digital trading, and real estate on our platform. Apply this knowledge to earn money in these industries. Okay, you're going to learn how to manage forex trading capital, $5,000 up to $1 million. You're going to learn how to earn passive income in real estate, short-let property business. You're going to learn how to build a wealthy mindset. You're going to get my new book, Forex Mastery, a guide to trading success, and you're going to join our live trading sessions. Over 3,629 students have purchased our course in our academy, and you can get it from our website www.10digitallane.com, or on this particular link tree. Okay, once you have selected the package you want to go for, these are the packages we have. We have the 1 month class, the 3 months class, the 6 months class, and the 1 year class. You can see it here. The 1 year class has 20% discount, which is you have to just pay $470.04. While the 6 months package has 10% discount, which you just have to pay $264.06. And the 3 months package has 5% discount, which is you have to pay $139.65. And the 1 month package is $49. Let's say, for instance, you go for the 6 months package and pay $264.06. You are entitled to everything you have here. Okay, everything we have over here. And what is it? You have to make payment through bank transfer or debit card on this platform, this current website or SIM, or cryptocurrency by reaching out to us directly. Then you have 6 months package to 6 months intensive online bootcamp. We're also going to have guest trainers from London and New York to handle the training for you. Then we have free forex software files, indicators to be precise, that's going to help you to analyze the market the way you see us analyzing markets with ease. Then we have Forex VIP signals. You can place trades and earn 1000% returns. These signals are guaranteed. Then we have free membership into the Forex VIP Mastermind group for live trading sessions, which you'll be able to you are entitled to once again go for these live trading sessions, and then you'll be able to profit from these live trading sessions, ask your questions, be educated just like you are right now. Then we have a one-on-one session with me. Whenever you study on our website and anything is confusing for you, you reach out to me. We have a one-on-one session on Zoom. I break it down for you, or probably on WhatsApp, on Google Meet. Okay, we break it down for you, and you'll be able to understand it very, very well. You have access to our textbook. This textbook now is what you're going to use to start learning about our academy and then the basics of forex trading. Then we have a certificate of participation. When you're done participating from us, you get the certificate. You have to pass through a quiz. Okay, this quiz is very, very important. We are going to give you an account, a stimulation, and tell you to get a certain percentage of that particular account. Once you get it, we're going to now give you what, a certificate that verifies you as a good trader with proper discipline and proper money management. Then you will be given access to a $5,000 account. Okay, from a prop firm which you are partnering with, and the cost of the $5,000 account is about $49. But since you have been able to pass through our academy, pass through our quiz, and get our certificates, you can be able to handle this prop firm account. And it's entitled for those who go for the 6 months package, not the 3 months package. It has been changed to 6 months package, okay, which is 10% discount and it's $264.06. Any questions about this before we go to the next segment? Any questions? Any questions? If you have a question, drop it in the comment section, please. Okay. I hope I was not too fast. Any questions? Any questions so far? No questions. Okay. So the next on the list is the fundamental analysis. Okay. So fundamental analysis for this week starts on Tuesday. Okay. No high impact news on Monday. Okay. So we start monitoring the fundamental analysis from Tuesday. Okay, we have the NAB business confidence, which is AUD. It has to do with Australia dollar. Okay, it has to do with business confidence. Okay, so currently analysts are saying it is zero, which is previous data was one, and analysts are saying it is zero. So by 2:30 a.m. on Tuesday, if we see that the actual is something higher than zero, then we're going to see some strength in Australian dollar. This could be the trigger we need to see the AUD to buy against the dollar. Okay, so watch out closely. Then on Tuesday morning, London session, we have unemployment rate for Great Britain pound and employment changes. We focus on the unemployment rate. If we see a percentage that is lower than 4.3%, then Great Britain pound is going to get some strength to buy against the dollar. But if we see a percentage lower than 4 points, sorry. If we see a percentage lower than 4.3%, which is good for Great Britain pound, then we're expecting GBP to buy against the dollar. But if we see a percentage that is higher than 4.3%, it is bad for GBP because unemployment is bad. It's a bad news. Okay, so we see it increasing, it is bad for Great Britain pound, and then we see GBP to sell against the dollar. Okay, so then on Wednesday we have the goods trade balance non-EU, which has to do with Great Britain pounds. Okay, it has to do with total imports minus total exports. Okay, and also here good trade balance. If you see a figure that is higher than minus 3.3 billion pounds, okay, it's going to be good for Great Britain pounds on Wednesday. Then over here, if you see a figure higher than minus 14.2 billion, it's going to be good for Great Britain pound. Then we have good GDP month over month. Okay, we have to do with gross domestic product for Great Britain pound. Okay, you say figure higher than 0%, it is good. The previous was 0.4%, and this could be a trigger by 7 o'clock London session on Wednesday. I'm going to use, because of this news, we're having a lot on GBP to analyze GBP USD when I'm done. So stay to the end. Okay, then we have CPI on Wednesday for dollar. Okay, so if you see inflation increasing, okay, which analysts are saying that it might increase to 313.91, which if it increase 313.91, then we're going to see some strength in the dollar. We're going to see some massive buy in the dollar. Okay, so that's by New York session on Wednesday. That's the main news, CPI. Okay, then we have interest rate decision as well in the evening by 7 p.m. for dollar. Okay, Wednesday is going to be a very hot day for dollar. Interest rates coming in. Okay, so by 7 p.m., if the interest rate remains unchanged, we're going to see some weakness in the dollar, and then we're going to see some sell-offs in the dollar, and then GBP USD will buy, AD USD will buy, Euro USD will buy. Okay, but that will be by 7 p.m. We will have to know the news, and then we'll jump into the news and trade the opportunity. Then on Thursday, we have AUD news, Westpac consumer confidence and employment changes. We focus more on this unemployment rate, okay, because if the unemployment rate reduces, analysts are saying that it will reduce by 4%. Previous data was 4.1%. Analysts are saying that it will reduce to 4%. If that happens, then AUD will be strong. Okay, you see some buys in AUD. But if we see if we see a higher than expected figure like 5%, then AUD is going to be weak heading to Thursday. Then on Thursday morning, New York session, we have initial jobless claims, continuous jobless claims, and jobless claims 4 week average. Last week Wednesday, sorry, last week Thursday, we saw initial jobless claims to be positive, sorry, negative for dollar. We saw the initial jobless claims to be negative for dollar. Why? That made gold to buy massively. Okay, last week Thursday. So if we see initial jobless claims increase, analysts are saying it to decrease. Okay, 229K is higher than 207K. If this is true, then dollar is going to be strong on Thursday. Okay, then to end the week on Friday, we have Bank of Japan interest rate decision, which the analysts are saying that it might remain unchanged. But if there is a hike, because there has been some rumors that there will be some hike, if there's a hike, then we can now see that Japanese yen will be weak, and then there's going to be some sell off on the Japanese yen. Then to end the week is Michigan consumer confidence, which is 0 to none, very important. Okay, so watching out closely on Wednesday for the CPI and the interest rate decision. Then on Thursday for the initial jobless claims, and to wrap up the week for Bank of Japan interest rate decision. Thank you so much. We're going to be trading live. Before I wrap up, if you have any questions about everything I've talked about, let's analyze one more pair, GBP USD. Any questions, drop it on the comment section, guys. Before we wrap up, any questions, drop it on the comment section. Let's start from the daily time frame, top down analysis. Okay. Any questions? Let me delete everything. Okay, so what am I seeing on daily time frame? I can see over here we have this supply zone which has not fulfilled the efficiency NFP, and there was a massive drop. So what is demand zone over here? Okay, we have this demand zone over here. We have also this demand zone over here, and we also have this demand zone over here. So likely this is the first demand supply zone I can see, the very respected supply zone. Yes. So after this supply zone was respected, the current and closing current zone. Okay, this is the current demand zone I anticipate the market to respect. Current demand. Then I go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so on 4 hours time frame, what do I see? I see this has fulfilled efficiency. This has fulfilled efficiency. I see this demand zone on the 4 hours time frame over here. But I'll prefer to take this due to DXY has not reached its target yet. So this is the demand zone I'll be using. Once market taps into this point, then I'll be interested to start looking for my buy setups for GBP USD. And over here is the supply zone. Okay, is the supply zone. Okay, good. So what I'm anticipating now for GPS is that it's quite similar to DXY. Once it taps into here and fulfills efficiency this daily validation point on the 4H4. Okay, so this is what I see currently. Okay, so this is what I see. So if this happens, I'm monitoring closely DXY. Okay, once DXY fulfills its efficiency, I also be anticipating GPS to fulfill its efficiency. Then from there we buy and then start looking for the sales as well. So this is what I see currently for GBP USD. Let's see what sentiment has to say for GBP USD. Let's see what sentiment has to say for GBP USD. Any questions before we call it a wrap? So for GBP USD, this is what I see. We have 82% short and 18% long. Good. So I'm interested on the longs. I'm not interested on the shorts, but the shorts are still prevalent. Okay, I'm not looking for sell opportunities. When the market opens up, we're going to see some sales guaranteed. It is what they call the aftermarket ripple effect. Okay, aftermarket event ripple effect. So there is always a flow. The flow of the sell from Friday is going to continue to Monday, but it's going to change before Monday ends. The direction could change by Tuesday, heading to Tuesday. Okay, so we start looking for our buy setups. Okay, then from there we can now start looking for more sell opportunity towards this demand zone for GPUSD. So thank you so much for watching to this point. I appreciate your time. You invested about 45 minutes of your time to get this value. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell notification icon to always be reminded whenever we go live. And I wish you a profitable trading week. Peace.